Hey guys, this is Zana from Coco Dip Beauty, and I'm back at you with another video. This time I'm going to beat my face for you guys to get this look that's in the top right hand corner. Right now I'm taking my favorite makeup wipes from Pond's and prepping my face. I also like to use grapeseed oil and aloe vera to also prime my face before I do my makeup. Here I am brushing out the little bitty eyebrows that I do have. I am using Cherry Sheree that I found in like a Ross a long time ago on my eyebrows. Guys, this was probably about like $5 and I love this stuff. It stays on all day. Here I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee to carve out my eyebrows. Take your time with this. Here I'm using Urban Decay's Optical Illusion Primer. It definitely does a really good job in buffing out the face, matting it out, and prepping it very well before my foundation. Also take the time to prime my eyelids at this time. I didn't show it, but I definitely put some setting powder on top of it as well, so make sure that you do that. Here I'm taking a bright yellow color, swiping it into my crease. I like to go from light to dark. I like to build. I know some people like to go straight in with the dark colors and then build around that, but I like to go in with lighter colors. So I'm just going to a darker orangey, more color. Yeah, I cannot talk today. Yeah, so this is more orange. So just deepening the crease. Then stepping it up a notch with an even darker orange and still deepening that crease. You want to take your time in blending. Guys, I am not perfect whatsoever at all, but I am learning. Also, one thing that I did learn is when I do take the darker colors, I like to make sure I dust off the excess, which is what you just saw me do. So I'm just putting that darker purplish shade into the outer V and the crease. I still wasn't really excited about how deep the crease was coming out. It wasn't as deep as I wanted it to be, so I got a plum color and plopped that right in. All of these colors, by the way, are from the BH Cosmetic palette, the Modern Mattes. All right, so right here I am cutting the crease using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. You want to make sure that you use a flat brush and take your time. I'm using this bright yellow color from Kiss to pat right on top of my concealer. Now, I don't set the concealer first. I know some people probably do, but I don't. I just plop the color right on top and it comes out just fine. Well, so I think. I'm dragging it out very carefully. All right, girl, I see you. I see you. Yes. All right, here I am going to start on my face. So I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange to color correct my pigmentation. I am using Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation in 360 or Mocha and blending that out with a beauty blender. So I like to also take another clean flat brush with my foundation color and clean out my eyebrows because sometimes the concealer discolors the middle part of my forehead, so I have to go in and fix that. Here I am just highlighting with Toffee yet again. All smiles and giggles, yay. So go ahead and carefully blend that out as well. Yes, girl, yes. I see it. Your skin is popping, your skin is glowing. All right, back in with Pro Concealer yet again in, I think this is Ebony, I think. Now I'm just setting all of my highlight with my favorite setting powder called Airspun and Translucent. While that is setting, I am using BH Cosmetics collaboration palette with ItsMyRayeRaye, and I am using her contour color in, I can't remember that color, but it'll be in the description box. Here I'm just setting everything else with my black Radiance powder and golden bronze to give my skin some more color. I'm going back into that BH Cosmetic collaboration palette with ItsMyRayeRaye, and also using her highlighter, and that color will also be in the description box because I cannot remember right now. All right, so just like in math, if you guys remember, everything that you do on one side, you do on the other. So we are going to go in and do the exact same thing we did on the top eyelid, on the bottom eyelid, except for the fact that we are not going to like cut the crease or anything, because that can possibly get messy. All right, here I am just taking that same highlighter on my cheeks and putting that in the tear duct of my eye. All right, so here's my favorite part, eyeliner. I am the queen of wing eyeliner. I don't wear my eyeliner any other way except for black and winged, okay? Don't shoot me, but that is how I want to do it. And this also comes from Black Radiance. I do not like the felt tip. This is like the brush tip. It gives me a lot more control. Plopping on some mascara right before I put on my eyelashes. Guys, these eyelashes were like $2.99 from the dollar store. Love these things, and all of that information will be in the description box below. So go ahead and plop that in. All right, so I'm using my MAC lip liner in Chestnut, one of my favorites. It's one of my go-tos. I am plopping in a nude colored lip gloss. This is all from Cherry Sheree or Cherry Tree. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Alright, well, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please make sure that you thumbs up this video if you liked it. Make sure that you also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you later.